Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Mutawiatul Thaibah and I'm from TBI2. In here, I want to tell you about the podcast that I listened for the last listening examinations. And the title of the podcast is How to Become the Best Version of Yourself. And this podcast is from Learn English Podcast. For the link, I will share in the below. So yeah, the reason why I choose this podcast because this podcast is give message for motivating many people, especially Gen Z and me, of course. And this podcast is give some tips for us to make better ourselves and then how to us more open-minded in life. Okay, next I will tell you about the three specific content about this podcast. The first is self-reflections. Self-reflection is the one most important to make our life better because from the self-reflection we can know what make us excited in life or what make us happy and what make us growing to stop in life. So after we know the reason, we can find a way to solve the problem ourselves. And then self-reflection is also can taking time to understand ourselves in life. We can more better understand about what happened in our life. And second is setting goals. After reflections, the next is setting goals. We must know what one we do and what action we take in ourselves. Before that, we can breaking down and slow down on yourself, and after that you can taking seriously about what one you do in yourself. Okay, the third or the last is start with a simple change. After you self-reflection and setting goals, the last is make a simple change on your life. It is not a big change or the big action, but you can start with a simple action or simple change in your life on your habit. For example, you drink water every morning, you walk around, and you take time for journaling and this. And then the last and the most important, it is don't focus on your final progress, but focus on your simple change, simple action you take, and then your progress from small and big progress. Okay, the next is why this podcast is relatable in myself because I feel sometimes I stuck in the moment at the moment that I don't know what should I do and my mind is like burnt out. So from the podcast I can learn more about how to become the best version of myself and how to control our mind and our emotions. Okay, the last is the problem I found this podcast and how do I solve the problem this podcast. Actually, the little problem it is the host in the podcast because they are speak with a little fast, so I a little bit confused to understand the content of the podcast like that. And how to I solve the problem is I repeating 3 times until 5 times listen this podcast so I can understand, and yeah, I give new vocabulary in this podcast too. So that's all from me from the podcast. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.